Hello, so I'm just reviewing the rollers on this Amazon post, the Minewill upgraded rollers. I put the old ones in here in the package just to show what they look like from before. It's about 3/4 of an inch long, and these old plastic ones started actually grinding on the floor and making black marks and stuff like that. It's not really smooth, not really quiet, but I've had it for years and years. And I want to show the new ones. You can hear that it's like nice and quiet. It changes direction really easily. I actually had to get used to the fact that it rolls so smoothly that I just kind of fly around. But I just want to show how easy it is to replace these. So all you do is pull on the wheels here and it comes out. Same kind of stem here. It's got these nice kind of rubberized wheels here. I opted for the 2 wheels per post here because I wanted to go away. I wanted it to have 10 points of contact with the ground instead of just 5, so it tends to pivot easier. It doesn't really put as much pressure on the ground, and I don't know, it does a great job. So I'm actually really happy with these, and I would recommend them for an aging office chair, or if you just want to roll more easily and more quietly.
Good job. There it goes. Wonderful.